How to adjust sound settings on Samsung TV. TV sound modes. There are 3 sound mode presets on your Samsung TV: standard, default setting, optimized, and amplify. It's easy to switch between sound modes, but there are a couple of ways you can do it. Both methods will work on most Samsung TVs. Navigate to menu by pressing the home button on your remote control. Now press the right button to navigate to settings and press the middle button to select it. Press the down button to access the sound settings. You can try this method available on all Samsung TVs. From there, select the one that sounds best to you. Standard will balance sound where no tones are emphasized, such as the voices or bass. Optimized, specific effects are more powerful and sounds are more spacious. Amplify amplifies mid and high tones of the sound. This is useful when voices are difficult to understand. TV sound with expert sound settings. Navigate to menu by pressing the home button on your remote control. Now press the right button to navigate to settings and press the middle button to select it. Press the down button to access the sound settings, then scroll down to expert settings. Now you can customize the sound on your TV to make it right for you. These are the settings you can adjust once you're in the expert settings menu. Balance adjusts the sound to be more prominent from the right or left speaker. Equalizer modifies the intensity of low and high frequency ranges. HDMI input audio format. This option lets you choose your desired audio format for the HDMI audio input. Digital output audio format. This allows you to select the digital output format. The Dolby Digital Plus option is only available via HDMI RC for external speakers that support the format. Dolby Atmos input. Enable this option if your connected speakers are compatible with Dolby Atmos audio. Auto volume adjusts the volume automatically depending on your usage. Use the remote control to scroll down for more settings. Sound feedback provides audio prompts as you navigate through the settings and select options. Reset sound. This option will reset current sound settings back to defaults. Sound output. To connect wireless speakers, Bluetooth speakers, and a soundbar to the TV, you'll just need to set the sound output. Press the home button on your remote, and then navigate to and select settings. Select sound, then select sound output. You can choose the desired output from the available options in the list by using the up, down, and OK button on your remote control.